Hello everyone, in this tutorial we explain how to perform clean uninstall of Visual Studio Code in Linux Ubuntu. The main motivation for creating this tutorial comes from the fact that for complete Linux Ubuntu beginners, it might not be straightforward to completely remove VS Code in Linux Ubuntu. So let's immediately start. First of all, let's open a terminal. And before we try to uninstall VS Code, let's first try to run VS Code. So type code, and if Visual Studio Code is installed, you will see VS Code and you might see some of your Python projects. Okay, so let's close VS Code and let's continue. Now, the standard approach for removing any type of a package that you installed by using apt-get is to run sudo apt-get remove and the name of the program. The standard name of Visual Studio Code in Linux is code. Consequently, we need to run this command. Okay, so let's run this command, and this should remove the program. Enter your password, and you can see this option. Do you want to remove? Yes. Let's remove it. And you now think that you have completely removed VS Code. However, this is not correct. VS Code stores several files and folders that define the settings and installed packages. And consequently, if you want to perform clean uninstall, you will have to remove these packages and folders manually. And that's the issue, because most of the people don't realize that. So what might happen? You, for example, want to install VS Code again. So if you install VS Code again, you will see that all the previous settings and packages will be automatically loaded, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so it's very important to perform the next two steps that I will explain in the sequel. Okay, so let's see where we are. pwd. We should be in the home folder. Okay, if you're not in the home folder, type cd tilde to go to the home folder and click again pwd or type pwd. Let's see the structure of this folder. Type ls-l. Now, you don't see any folder over here associated with VS Code. This is because by typing ls-l, you're actually not showing the hidden folders. To see the hidden folders, type ls-la. And if you do that, you will see interesting thing. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see this folder. Okay, so this is the first hidden folder that VS Code creates while installing VS Code. So let's remove that folder. To remove that folder, type rm-r. -r means that you want to erase all the subfolders and all the files recursively in this folder, that is in that .vs code, and let's run this command. And after that, let's again make sure that we have completely erased .vs code, and you can see that we have completely done that. Let's continue. However, the story doesn't end here. If you type again ls-la, you will see a folder called .config. This folder stores the configuration files for the programs we installed. So let's go to that folder by typing cd. You can do it like this, type dot, and then you have options. If you type con and again tab, you will see narrow options, and then you will see cd.config. So let's see the content of this folder, and let's try to find anything associated with code. So here it is. So there is another folder that's being created by VS Code. Okay, so let's go to that folder and let's see the content of this folder, and you can see what this folder is actually storing. Backups, cache, and everything else. We need to erase this folder. So to erase this folder, let's go back to the home folder by typing this, and in the home folder, let's type this, rm-r and the path to the code folder and press enter. And that's it. Now we have erased the basic installation and two additional folders that are hidden and that are associated with our previous installation of VS Code. Let's try to verify this by typing code, and you can see we cannot run VS Code anymore. Okay, that's all for today.